Welcome back once again to our series of videos on this gorgeous 96 F150 with just a ridiculously low 24,600 original miles on it. I'll keep this video as brief as possible, but what I really want to show is how untouched and clean the undercarriage or the under hood area is on this truck. This is a pretty ridiculously nice engine compartment. Battery was replaced at the dealer in 2018, but otherwise everything else appears to be 1996 original. We've got an original hose there. For those of you not familiar with this, Ford used to date code their wires. So in this case, they are correct 1996 wires on the truck. Lower radiator hose, also Motorcraft. I didn't check the serpentine belt, but those will also typically have a very faint Motorcraft stamp on them as well. It's as untouched a time capsule as you're going to get. Look at how nice and clean the inner fenders are. Zero rust there on the springs or on the hood hinges. Plating and paint is just beautiful on this truck as well. Of course it can be used, but I really think this truck is something that belongs in a collection at this point. It's so ridiculously nice. Look at how beautiful all the plating is. We go here back up to the under hood. Everything is glossy as you would expect. Again, no surprises, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, original Motorcraft radiator cap on the truck. Sorry, my mind is going to other things as I'm noticing little odds and ends that I've never seen so nice before. Even these different tubes coming out of the intake, those coolant bypass tubes are just ridiculously nice. Heat shield there for the EGR valve. You know, just it looks new. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jeff Tidkey. Please feel free to reach out with any additional questions you would have on this truck. There are no disappointments here. Take care.